Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locking down the basics quickly. Identify clef and key so you know the tonal center. Then set a metronome to the given tempo, for example 60 to 80 BPM, and play the excerpt twice. On the first hearing, focus only on the overall contour. Does it rise, fall, or repeat? Once done, on the second hearing, concentrate on clear intervallic landmarks like repeated notes, leaps of 3 RDS or 5 THS, and the strongest rhythmic pulse. Now you transcribe actively. Write the starting pitch or scale degree and map the melody in beats rather than fragments. Tap the pulse and mark down rhythms with clear beat divisions, using 1/2, quarters, or eighths as needed. Sing or play small segments, 1 bar at a time, using solfege or a piano to confirm each interval. If a leap feels ambiguous, isolate that interval and repeat it until you can match it confidently. Then, continue connecting the confirmed fragments. Finish by playing your transcription with the original recording. Listen for mismatches in pitch or rhythm and fix accidentals and timing offsets. Make sure phrase and points align with cadences and strong beats. Once corrected, notate dynamics and any articulation you heard. If things go wrong, slow the passage significantly, loop the troublesome bar, and isolate the interval. Reharmonize mentally to test if your pitch fits. Repeat that targeted process until the transcription matches the recording.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.